Here's a problem that's similar to number 16 from your test. It says the Vieira family is traveling from Philadelphia to Orlando for vacation. The graph represents the distance in miles remaining in their trip for X hours. Find the slope and interpret the meaning in this context. So in order to find slope from a graph, we still have to do rise over run. And we have one point here that's already on the y-axis. And I think the next point that would be really good to use would be right about here. So that's at 3,800. So I'm going to go ahead and count down from my rise. So I'm going down 2, but these are actually counting by 100. So I'm going down 100 and down 100 more, which means I'm really going down minus 200 over, we can count over by 1, 2, 3. 3. Now before I simplify this, I'm going to go ahead and do the interpreting of it, the slope of this, and I'll show you why. Now, the y-axis, we know our y is on the vertical, it's going to represent our miles. Miles, if I spell it correctly. Now, our x-axis represents the hours. I'll just abbreviate that. So that means if a rise is negative 200, that's minus 200 miles, and the 3, which is hours. So without simplifying, that's what this can mean. Now, if I were to simplify this by doing negative 200 divided by 3, I would end up getting, and it gives me an approximate here, of 66 1/3, negative 66 1/3 miles in the 1 hour. So that means overall their total trip in 1 hour, they are taking off the 66 1/3. Sorry, that should be a 2/3. They're taking off the negative 66 2/3 mile every single hour. So that's pretty much how fast they're traveling. You could say they're going almost 67 miles per hour.